and it keeps me going, and I love it. And I think if you give it a shot, you might love it too.